In this video, I'm going to show you how to do business taxes on TurboTax. So, first of all, I'm unable to show you some steps in here due to country restrictions, but listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along. So, assumingly we've finished this process, we have successfully uploaded our information so on with the data that needs here in TurboTax. So choose the right version. Start by choosing TurboTax Self-Employed or TurboTax Business depending on your structure. So you can use Self-Employed for sole uh, proprietorships and single member LLCs. And then you can also use TurboTax Business for partnerships, S Corps, and multi-member LLCs. So before you dive in, gather your tax documents. So you'll need to have a business income forms, expense records, millage logs, assets, info for depreciation, and any prior year tax returns. It's if available. So, to start your return, log into your TurboTax, start a new return, and select the options that matches your business type. So the software will guide you through the questions about your business income and deductions. So under the income and expenses sections, report your business earnings. If you receive a 1099 forms, TurboTax can automatically import some of them, otherwise enter them manually or upload a summary. So now, list your business expenses. So, this includes the supplies, home office, advertising, internet subscriptions, travel, and more. So, TurboTax will help categorize everything to maximize your deductions. So, once all data is in, TurboTax will run accuracy checks, review suggestions, correct any issues, and be sure to double check your entire or entries, especially numbers and EINs. And that's it. When everything looks good, just how you want to file, you can e-file directly through TurboTax or print and mail your return if needed. So you'll also see your tax sheet or refund details before submission. And don't forget to file your state taxes if required. And if you're unsure about something, TurboTax gives you an access to Tax Pros for extra help. And that's how you do your business taxes with TurboTax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.